I'm in Jamaica. So guys, as you notice, this is 3 miles. And I found something I want to share with you guys. A quad in Portmore for only 9.8 and a land in Runaway Bay for only 8 million Jamaican dollars. So stick around, guys. As you can see, untouched gem in Portmore. This is a quad. Right, guys, so I'm gonna let you just go through the pictures and you could view it. I'm also gonna be linking the link to it in the description and the contact information. We're at the end. This is a residential lot in Runaway Bay, St Anne, with the sea view for only 8 million Jamaican dollars. I saw this one on the website and I thought, why not share it with my S&M family? Excuse me. Why not share it with my S&M family? So guys, like I said before, I'll link the link in my description so you guys could go and check it out. You could get a better view of the photos and to view the property more clearly.
St Jamaica lifestyle, and we are saying like, comment and subscribe. Beam!